welcome back to our next presentation, and our next presentation is the problems on vector algebra. In our last presentation, we have discussed about the vector algebra. Today's presentation is based on the problems on vector algebra. Myself, Dr. Sayanti Chatterjee, Associate Professor of EEE Department of Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. So, what is the course outcome? The course outcome of the subject is use the vector calculus and other mathematical techniques to describe the electromagnetic phenomena. And according to the Bloom's taxonomy, this is the application of calculus. Let's start. So, in the last class, we have discussed about the position vector. So, again, we can tell this is a recapitulate of the position vector. What is position vector? We know the coordinate system. In the coordinate system, we can write the position of a point with its coordinate system. Say, up to your first year, you have always done the 2D system. In the 2D system, we can tell a position 2, 3 means x, y. Here, we will take it is the 3D. 3D means one is x, one is y, and another one is z. And we can write the position x, y, z, the unit vector with x, y, and z. We can write xi hat means the magnitude of the point in the x direction plus y j hat plus z k hat means the position in the z axis, position in the x axis and position in the y axis. Or in the EMF, we can write it as the x we can write it by x a x hat, y y a hat and z z a hat. So let's do one problem. If a position of a point is 2, 3, 4, write the position vector. So this is your position I for x, k for y, k for z and j for y. This is the point. And what is the location of the point? According to the problem, it is 2, 3, 4. Means along the x-axis, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So, what will be the vector? The position vector is, if we write in the physics, 2y plus 3j plus 4k. Okay. If we tell it in the electromagnetic, we can write in two method. 2x hat plus 3y hat plus 4z hat. But which is maximum use? That is 2ax hat plus 3ay hat plus 4az hat. So, these are the three methods of the position vector. Let's practice another problem. Say, this is another point B. And the position is 2, 0, 0. 2 minus 1 minus 8. What will be the position vector? So, we can write B equals to, first one is 2. 2 means it is x-axis. So, we can write 2a x hat. Then, second one is the y. So, we can write the y-axis. So, minus 1 a y hat. Third one is the z. So, we can write the z minus a z. So, this is the position vector. as I told, is I is similar to ax, j is similar to ay, and k is similar to az. Next important is the unit vector. Let's recap. What is unity vector? Unit vector or unity vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1 but it has some certain direction. And how to calculate the unity vector? A is equal to, we will write it with a small letter on cap on it, and we can write A vector divided by mod of A. What is the significance of unity vector? If something is changing, we can write its magnitude with the unity vector. If a car is moving with the speed of with the velocity of 50 km per second from east to west, we can say it is 50 is its magnitude and its direction is north to south. So if we write only north to south, this is the unity vector. Okay, na? So we will do some problem. Okay. So we have a vector A. Already we have calculated 2ax plus 3ay plus 4az. We have to calculate the unit vector. So how to calculate the unit vector? Already according to the definition, what is the magnitude of A? 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So it is root 4 plus 9, 13. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 16, root 29, correct. So it is root 29, we have already got. 4 plus 9 plus 16, it is root 29. So what is the unity vector? According to the definition, unity vector will be written by small letter is equal to total vector by its magnitude. So what is the original vector? 2ax plus 3ay plus 4az divided by root of 29. Okay. Next, if a vector is unity vector and its magnitude is, its position is 4, 3 minus 10. How to calculate? A is equal to 4ax plus 3ay minus 10az. So what will be its magnitude? Magnitude will be coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square plus coefficient of z square. So it is z is 10. So what is this? 16 plus 9, 25 plus 100, root of 125. Then what will be the unity vector? Unity vector will be the total vector divided by its magnitude. Now one may ask me, how you can tell it is a unity vector? From where we can get the magnitude of its unity? We can see the magnitude, the x component is 4 by root 125, y component is 3 by root of 125, z component is minus 10 by 125. Then how we can tell it is an unity vector? So let's check the magnitude. How to write the unity vector? A cap. So what is the magnitude of A cap? 16 by 125. Why 16? 4 coefficient of x whole square, 4 by root 125 whole square plus 9 by 125 plus 100 by 125. So it is coming 125 divided by 125. It is unity. Another example. So I am just telling first. So 4. So what is the position vector? Minus 4ax. There is no y. So 0ay plus 2az. Or you can write it like. This is also correct. Now what will be the magnitude of a? The magnitude of a will be, what is the magnitude? 16 plus 4. So it is root 20. Then what is the unity vector? Total vector divided by its magnitude. So what is, if we write it a cap. So how to check? Actually for exam purpose no need to check. This is only for your understanding. Okay. So a cap is equal to 4 square 16 by 20 plus 0. I am not writing 4 by 20. Okay. So this is the unit vector. Next we will solve the problem already vector algebra. Scaling, addition, subtraction, product, and product is two type, dot product and cross product. So multiplication of a scalar with a vector. This is the scaling. So calculate the double and 1.5 times of a. How to calculate? We have to, scaling means multiply a with a scalar thing. What is the value of the scalar? Case 1 it is 2. Case 2 it is 1.5. So what is our a? What is the position vector? 4ax plus 3ay plus 2az. If we want to calculate it, 2a. If we want to calculate 2a, so 4 will be multiplied by 2 means 8. 3 will be multiplied by 2 means 6. And again 2 will be multiplied by 2 means it is 4. Similarly, if we want to calculate 1.5 times, 4 will be multiplied by with 1.5 means 6. 3, the main matrix. 3 will be multiplied with 1.5 means 4.5 and 2 will be multiplied with 1.5 means it is 3. If we want to calculate the 1/4, 0.25 of a, what will happen? 4 will be multiplied with 0.25 means 1 plus 0.75 ay plus 0.5 az. So this is the scaling of the vector. Now we will solve the addition of two vectors. What is the formula? Just once again recap. If vector A and vector B are expressed as A is equal to AX plus AY plus AZ and B is equal to BXAX plus BYAY plus BZAZ, then while we are doing the addition, what we will do? X terms will be added, Y terms will be added and Z term will be added. So we can write AX plus BX into AX hat, AY plus BY into AY hat and AZ plus BZ AZ hat. Similarly, if we want to do A minus B, so it will be AX minus BX plus AY minus BY plus AZ minus BZ. So this is the addition and subtraction of the vector. Okay. So let's do some problem. Say A is equal to 2AX plus 3AY plus 4AZ. B is equal to 4AX plus 3AY minus 10AZ. Calculate A plus B. So first question is calculate A plus B. What does it means? A, this x component will be added with the x component of B. 2 plus 4. So first will be 6. 3. The y component will be added with the y component. 3 plus 3. The answer is 6. 4 plus minus 10. 4 minus 10. So it is minus 6. So this is the simple addition of A plus B. Now if we do A minus B, 2 minus 4 minus 2 AX. 3 minus 3 0 AY. 4 minus of minus 10 means 4 plus 10 means 14 AZ. Next one is the 2B minus A. Scaling addition. So first we have to calculate the 2B. What is the value of 2B? So B matrix will be multiplied. This B matrix will be multiplied with 2. So what will be the value? 8 AX plus 6 AY minus 20 AZ. 2B means 8 AX plus 6 AY minus 20 AZ. What is A? A is equal to, we know, 2AX plus 3AY plus 4AZ. So what will be the value? 8 minus 2 means 6AX plus 6AX plus 3AY minus, this answer is wrong. It will be minus 24AZ. Clear? So it will be 6AX 6AX plus 3AY minus 24AZ. So what do you understand? If we add two matrices, the x terms will be added or subtracted from B, y will be added or subtracted from y, and z components will be added or subtracted. Let's do one problem. This problem is from the Sadiku book, and it is a good book for all. So first A is given as 10AX minus 4AY plus 6AZ. B matrix is given as, actually in the old books, the bold letter means the vector. You are using here bold letters. In this book, bold letters means the vector. B is equal to 2ax plus ay. Find the component of A along AY. So what is the component? The value of AY of A. According to AY, it is minus 4. So the first answer is minus 4. If we ask, what is the component of B along AY? What will be the value? The value will be 1. If the question is, what will be the component of A along AZ? Along AZ means the value is 6. So this is the component of vector along any axis. Question number 2. What is the magnitude of 3a minus b? So first scaling, then subtraction. So what is the value of 3a? 30x will be multiplied with 3, 30ax minus 12ay plus 6 into 3. What is the value of b? b is 2ax hat plus ay, and there is no az. So what will be the value if we multiply? If we subtract 28ax, 12 minus 1 means 13ay plus 18az. 28ax minus 13ay plus 18az. So this is the answer of question B. First we will use the scaling, then we will use the second one. Last one is the calculate the unit vector of A plus 2B. So let's do the problem. What is the A? A value we know, 10ax minus 4ay plus az. What is B? We have to add 2b. 2 is multiplied with 2, 4ax plus 2ay. So if we add this, 14ax, we are doing the addition. So it is minus 2ay plus az. It is C vector. So first step is we will add these two vectors. First we multiply the A. We have written the A. Then we multiply the B with 2. 2 into 2, 4 and 2. So now normal addition, 10 plus 4, 14 minus 2ay plus az. So what is the magnitude of C? It is 14 square plus 4 plus 1. And what will be the unit vector AC? Root. So what is AC? What is the unit vector? Total vector divided by its magnitude, and we will get the value of this. So what are the steps? First we will write the A vector. Then we will write the 2b. Next, what is that next step? Next step is we will calculate the c vector a plus b. A plus 2b. So after this, we will take the magnitude. How to take the magnitude? Root of, already we have discussed how to calculate the unity vector. So what is the formula? Component of x square plus component of y square plus component of z square. So what is the unit vector? Unit vector equals to the total vector divided by its magnitude. Next, we will solve some problem on dot product. What is the problem on dot product? Dot product means, just one quick revision. Dot product means if two vectors are there, the output will be a scalar vector. If a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. If two vectors are parallel to each other, cos 0 is equal to 0, and we can write that a dot b is equal to ab. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, the angle between them is 90 degree, and we can write AB cos 90, and AB cos 90 means it is 0. Okay. So we will do the one problem. Find the dot product and the angle between them. So what is A? Already in my last session, I have discussed how to solve the problems. Again, we are giving one example. In the case of dot product, for a quick revision, the x component ax dot ax is equal to 1. Why? Because the magnitudes of both is 1 and both are parallel, means it is 0. 1, 1 cos 0. Similarly, ay dot ay. Unity vector, magnitude is 1, and as both are parallel, angle is 0 degree. It is 1. Az dot az is equal to, it is also 1. Means if two vectors are parallel to each other, if two unit vector is parallel to each other, their dot product is always 1. Now, if we think about the two vectors are perpendicular to each other, one car is moving from east to north. East to north means 90 degree. So, we can write ax dot ay. What is the meaning of ax to ay? The magnitude is 1, 1. X-axis and y-axis is perpendicular to each other. So, the value is 0. If we write ax dot az, similarly it is x to z. X to z. Z to x. Z to x anti-clockwise means angle is positive. So, z to x angle. We are taking the angles from z to x. So, it is minus 90 degree. So, what will be the value? 1, 1 cos of minus 90. It is 0. Clear? So, if two axes are parallel to each other, the dot product is 1. If two unit vectors are 90 degree apart, the dot product is always 0. So for the dot product, what we will do? So what we will do? The x term will be multiplied with x term, y term will be multiplied with y term, and z term will be multiplied with z term. 2 into 3 means 6, minus 5 minus 5, 27, minus 4 plus 2, minus 8. So it will coming minus 27. And we know the formula A dot B is equal to A mod of A, already discussed, B cos theta. So what is the value of cos theta? A dot B mod of A into mod of B. So what is the value of mod of A? Root of 2 square minus 5 square minus 4 square, and it is coming root 45. What is B? B is equal to 3 square plus 5 square plus 2 square. Magnitude of x square plus magnitude of y square plus magnitude of z square. Root 38, and we got the value of theta is 130.762. Next, another problem. The cross product of two vectors. For a quick revision, the cross product of a vector of two vectors is A cross B, and cross product means this has some certain direction. Cross product means it has certain direction. So A cross B means AB sin theta into AN. AN means if the two vectors are in the two planes, the resultant vector will be in the plane which is perpendicular to that. It always follows the right hand screw rule. So how to do the cross product already I have discussed. So this is the form if two matrices are there, A and B, how to calculate the value. So how to write? First AX plus, this would be AY. I forgot. This is AY and this is AZ. We have three value AX, AY and AZ. First we will write the coefficient of A matrix. AX is 1, AY is minus 5, AZ is equal to 2. For B, 3, minus 1 and minus 4. Now how to solve? AX is equal to minus 5 minus 4 means it is 20. Minus of minus 2 minus of 2. We are calculating the determinant. Next, we are thinking about AY. AY is always minus. So, minus of AY means minus 4. So, like this, we can calculate the value. So, how to calculate the value? AX is equal to minus 5 into minus 4 minus of minus 2. We are getting 22. Again, we are getting 4 minus 6 minus 10. And we are getting the last one. It is 14. So, what will be the unit vector? Because if we go to the last one, we need AB, we need AN means the unity vector. We have to calculate the unity vector. How to calculate the unity vector? Total value divided by its magnitude. What is its magnitude? 22 square plus 100 plus 14 square. 22 square plus 100 plus 14 square. And what value we are getting? What value we are getting? we are getting the value root of 780. Root of 22 square plus 100 plus 14 square. We are getting the value root 78. We are getting the value root 78. So we are writing, if it is the C vector, we will write with the small case AC with cap. So 22AX minus 10AY plus 14AZ divided by root 78. Then what is sine theta? What is sine theta? If we discard the direction, then we can write A cross B. If we do not take the direction, magnitude of A cross B is equal to AB sine theta. So what is sine theta? Sine theta means mod of A into mod of B. So let's do, so this is sine theta. In the case of sine theta, we are discarding, we are replacing the direction. Chalo. So what is the total magnitude? We have calculated A cross B. Magnitude of A cross B is, the magnitude of A cross B or C is root 78 divided by, what is mod of A? What is mod of A? Mod of A is 1 plus 25 plus 4. 1 plus 5 square 25 plus 2 square 4. Root 30. What is mod B? What is mod B? 3 square plus 1 plus 4. 9 plus 1 plus 16. Root of 26. So what will, according to our formula, magnitude of A cross B, magnitude of A cross B is root 78 divided by root 30 root 26. So this is our last problem for today. We have to do the scalar triple product. There is a triple product. This is a combination of dot product and cross product. So we have to do A dot B cross C. So how to do the B cross C? Let's do. So first, B cross C. How to do? First we will write AX hat plus AY hat AZ hat. Next, what is the next step? First one is B. Remember which one is first, which one is second. As this is the cross product, we cannot write the in another manner. First will be in the first line, second will be in the second line. So what is the value? 2 minus 1, 2. What is the value of C? C value is 2 minus 3, 1. So how to calculate? AX hat is equal to minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 plus 6 minus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. So we got the value 5 AX hat So we got the value. We know the A also. So I am writing this value as P. We got the P matrix. In the scalar triple product, don't concentrate about the sin theta angle or the an angle. So we know the P and we know the A. So what will be the A matrix is, I will write it, 2ax minus az. 2ax minus az we got. What is our P matrix? We have already calculated. What is our P matrix? 5ax minus 2. Minus 2az. Already we have calculated. What is P? P is nothing but B cross C. So what is A dot B when we are calculating the A dot B? A dot B means x terms will be multiplied 10ax. Y, there is no y term, so it is 0ay. And what is az? Plus 2az. Is this correct? No. Why? In the case of dot product, there is no xy term. So what is the correct answer? 2 into 5, 10 plus 0 plus 2. So the magnitude is 12. Next we have to calculate the angle. Final angle we have to calculate. What is its magnitude? What is the mod of A? Mod of A is nothing but 4 plus 1 is equal to root 5. What is mod of P? Mod of P is 25 plus 4 plus 4. 33. So what is the value of the cos theta? What is the value of the cos theta? What is the dot product? Dot product is A dot P is equal to AP cos theta. So already we got the magnitude 12. 12 cos theta. And what is the mod of A? Mod of A and mod of P. So what is cos theta? What is the value of cos theta? A dot P mod of A. So what are the value? 12 divided by root 5 root 33. So I did the problem step by step in hand so that you can easily understand. So what are the steps? First step we will do the B cross C. First we can do the cross product. What is the form of cross product? It will be written in a matrix form. In the matrix form, the first row will be the unity vector AX, AY, AZ. If we have to do B cross C, first line will be the B components, second line will be the C component. If we want to do C cross B, first line will be the C component, second line should be the P component. Now we can calculate the determinant of the vector. What we will do? We will calculate the determinant of the vector. So this is our new vector P, and P is equal to B cross C. Now we know the A vector that is given. P vector we have calculated. So A dot P. A, first we will do this one. AX dot AX is equal to 1 in dot product. In the dot product is a scalar product and there should be no magnitude. So, no direction. So, A dot P. A dot P, x terms will be multiplied with x term, y term will be multiplied with y term, z term will be multiplied with z term. So we will get 10 plus 0 plus 2. So this will be 12. Now what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to A dot P is equal to AP cos theta. So cos theta is equal to A dot P divided by mod of A into mod of P. How to calculate mod of A? We already know the A value. So mod of A is equal to. So what is mod of A? Mod of A is equal to root 4 plus 1 equals to root 5. What is mod of P? Mod of P is equal to root x, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square plus coefficient of z square. So we will put the value, and this is the cos theta. So this is the today's class, and today's session, the problems on the vector algebra. If you have just go through the slides and go to the previous lecture of mine also. Thank you all.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.